What's up, y'all? Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Okay, so today I really just wanted to kind of use one of the smaller brands that is in my stash to deep condition, because girl, I need some moisture. And honestly, I've been using like protein probably back to back, and we don't want to go through that whole protein overload situation again. We don't want that, okay? So today I want to deep condition with the Tailored Beauty Moisture Penetrating Deep Conditioning Mask. This is from the Golden Herbal collection, and yeah, I've never used this. I actually used the twist cream, I think, and the moisturizing mist from this collection, but never anything else. So I definitely want to get into this, and I've had this in my stash for at least 6 months, so we want to get into her. Okay, so you guys, I just co-washed because I washed my hair maybe like 4 days ago, and I just didn't feel like I needed anything like crazy, so I didn't go into all of that. But y'all know how I like to do. Go ahead and put my hair into 4 sections. So today my hair is looking stupid dry. Like, it looks dry. It's honestly dry, okay? It was some of the stuff that I used on my hair the last time that I did it, and it just, one of the things I knew dried out my hair the first time I used it, but I used it again just to make sure it, girl, it was the same situation. You guys will see that later on in like an empties video. It won't be empty though, because I can't even do it. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this deep conditioner. So this low-key smells like baby lotion to me. It has like a really nice little consistency. It's like thick but creamy at the same time. So, oh, I'm ready to get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my hair with warm water, just a little bit, not very much. I honestly don't want to soak it today. I just kind of want to see how deep conditioning on, I guess, damper hair would make a difference, more so than soaking wet hair. Oh, y'all, it's the tangles for me. Girl, a clear sign that I need some moisture, because it ain't happening right now. So I'm gonna take about this much to start off with. It's just not a whole lot. Honestly, I'm probably gonna soak it down to, ooh, wait a minute. Feels funny going on, can't lie. I might need more water. I think I need more water. It feels funny. It's giving me that, girl, I don't want to talk about it, not right now. Yeah, I think I need some more water. Yeah, that's it, okay. So yeah, this is not one of those go in with damp hair deep conditioners. No ma'am. But it feels really good right now. It smells like baby lotion though. So I'm getting baby oil vibes off of the smell. But my curls look really good while putting this on. If you are new here, I do detangle at the deep conditioner stage. So slip is like really an important thing to me too. And right now my fingers are gliding through pretty decent since I put that water on. But I'm gonna start off on this little next piece with the warm water from the beginning, and then go in with the product just to see how it moves around. But right now it's decent. You guys know I can tell the most about a deep conditioner once it's time to rinse it out, because y'all already know what your hair feels like afterwards is just way more important to me. But wow, it looks really good. So let's spritz this part with water this time and see. Girl, I soaked it this time. I don't have time to play. And I went in with a little bit more. This section is bigger. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and soak it down with the deep conditioner and see what it's really like. I put way more on this time, but girl, the slip really, it's not really there. It's not like I like it to be, because like I said, I do like to deep condition. I do like to detangle at this stage, so the slip is not exactly where I want it to be, but it does feel like it's moisturizing, I think, so far. Yeah, girl, ain't no slip, none. Zero slip, okay? Yeah, I'm having a little hard time getting these tangles out. But hopefully when it's time to rinse it, we have like a moisturized situation going on, because my hair still does feel good. So basically what I'm about to do is go ahead and go through my entire head, doing this exact same thing and detangling or whatever as I go, and then I'll be back. So here is my hair and what it is looking like. I am completely finished. I did, y'all, I used the whole jar, okay? I emptied her out. I emptied her all the way out, and this is an 8-ounce jar. I emptied it out because, first of all, I was using so much product, just trying to get some slip to detangle. So if you detangle at the deep conditioning stage, this conditioner is not for you, sis, because there is absolutely no slip. However, my hair feels really, really good. My curls are moisturized and popping. They are a little bit way down right now because I have mad product on my hair as well as water too. But I was trying to create that slip, y'all, and it still really didn't work out to use more product trying to create slip. It really just, it didn't work out, okay? My hair does feel good though, y'all. I'm gonna say that like now. I'm gonna say that, hopefully I can say that once I rinse it out too. My curls look good. It is popping all over the place. So if you do not detangle at the deep conditioning stage, you should be able to get at least 2 to 3 uses out of this deep conditioner. It was just me. I had to be heavy-handed so I can get through the detangling. Also, it took me like at least 30 minutes, like 30 to 35 minutes to detangle my hair, and y'all, my hair is really fine. So if you have a whole lot of hair, once again, this is not the deep conditioner. for you, okay? But what I am working on with myself and my daughters is to just kind of like slow down and take my time, be gentle with my hair, because I can be rough. So before you know it, I'm pulling it out. It's just hair strands all over the place, and it don't need to be like that. So I did fully detangle with my fingers, and I just really took my time trying to do it. And like I said, the deep conditioner had no slip, so it was hard to do it, but here we are, we got through it. So yeah, now I'm just hoping for really good moisturized hair and nice curls. I hope I'm not making too much noise with this plastic cap. But I'm going to go ahead and pop my little hot head on, sit around for about 30 minutes to an hour. The deep conditioner does say 15 minutes. So I may do 15 to 30 minutes, 30 minutes at tops. But I'm gonna sit around with my little hot head on, and then I'll rinse it out and let you guys know exactly how I feel about it, what my hair is looking like, all the things. Hey y'all, it's VoiceOver J checking in. So this is what my hair is looking like after letting the deep conditioner sit for about 30 minutes. Yeah, I had to check and make sure I'm still good. Anyway, y'all, my hair felt so soft at this point. It felt really, really good. It actually felt a lot more strengthened though than moisturizing. So it made perfect sense. So I just kept running my hands through it, like just trying to feel it, because I was like, wow, it feels so good. My curls were popping. My hair felt so moisturized and just like soft. But like I said, it definitely felt more strengthening than moisturizing. I think it was because of the fenugreek that was in it and the other Ayurvedic herbs that may have been in it. It just was a lot more strengthening, I felt like. It did say that it was a moisturizing deep conditioner, but I got, you know, more strengthening than moisture. But it's cool. It still rinsed out really well. It still felt really good, and just wow. I was impressed, okay? And I definitely will be repurchasing this, because sis, my curls tell it all. Like, I just kept looking at it in the mirror, like I kept feeling on it, like it just, y'all, I was in love, okay? But I do hope you guys did enjoy this video overall. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would definitely recommend this deep conditioner, and I will see you guys in my next video.